inputs from all my senior people sitting here. So I'm the one who I would say implemented all these policies in the incubators. I've worked with all the incubators from last 10 years, now I'm with the industry side. So I think policy is required at each and every stage, as both of them mentioned when Startup India started in 2016 and then Atal Innovation Mission came. So at the same time, I would say DST was also there with the schemes, but they were focusing on more on deep tech, where you have a technology. There was a Nidhi Prayas, which is more on hardware, because that was also required. Then there was schemes by DST where you have entrepreneurship in residence, where students like you can come forward as an individual. So that kind of policy is required so that students, when they are in college, they can also start and think about something and can jump into this startup ecosystem. And then AIM suddenly came, and after that they started focusing on Tier 2, Tier 3, the grassroots innovation side, where nobody was seeing at that point of time. So those policy required, because you have to reach to each corner of the part of the country and you have to support all innovations. And today there are a lot of grassroots innovations which are doing, I would say, great. There are unicorns also in waste management and all these areas. So I think all these policies are required, and one of the major, I would say, another game-changing policy was with the IDEX. So the Ministry of Defense allowed MSME to come forward. Now that was a bigger game change. There was only startups initially, even if they are in defense. And as per DVIIT guidelines and all, we need all that mandatory requirement that you should be not 10 years old and all this. Now MSMEs, obviously they are old. They are maybe 20 years old, but they have that capability, they have that capacity to build such defense deep tech innovations. And the kind of schemes that they started initially, from 1.5 CR of support, going up to 10 crore, and now today they have launched Aditi, which is up to 25 CR.